Hotel Football is probably the most perfectly placed hotel in the world. Look at it. Hotel Football. I'm going to show you the class of 92 room in Hotel Football. Yes, I'm at Hotel Football today for the Manchester United game versus West Ham, and I'm staying in the class of 92 room. First time I've stayed in this room, so I thought I'd give you a video, a little tour of the room and a little bit about the hotel as well. And like I said, this hotel is probably the most perfectly placed hotel on the planet, right next to the beautiful Old Trafford. You can see it straight through this window here. So there's a bar at Hotel Football called Cafe Football where you can go and have your breakfast, lunch and dinner and enjoy a few drinks as well. The staff are super friendly and helpful. Let's take a look at the class of 92 room. I was on the 4th floor at Hotel Football, and on the actual lobby it says 401 to 423, and you're thinking, where on earth is room 492? 492, obviously 92 represents the class of 92. All of the class of 92 rooms at Hotel Football are down the corridor on the right. So the first floor will be 192, second floor 292, and so on, all the way up to the 8th floor. Obviously this is next to Old Trafford, so perfect for Manchester United fans, but it's perfect for other football fans as well. You have access to all these Sky Sports channels as well, even BT Sports. And for the hardcore Man United fans like myself, you have MUTV. This old classic from 2002, West Ham versus Manchester United. You also have access to a telephone if you need anything from reception, and a little notepad here if you want to leave any nice notes. Plenty of plug sockets along the wall here as well. You just bring your laptop in or anything if you're working mobile. And in the room you do get USB sockets as well, so if you need to charge your devices, there is USB charging in the room. And in this drawer, you'd probably think it's a Bible. Well, in some senses it probably is. Look at that. Class of 92 out of our league. Yeah, brilliant. For me, that is the Bible. So you get lots of memorabilia on the walls of the class of 92 rooms. This room is 492. All the rooms will be different. But you get like a timeline here of some of the players and what they did and what the years. And at the very bottom, total appearances there. Look. There's also a Phill Neville shirt in this room, signed by Phill Neville, and with his appearances, goals, and obviously the trophies and awards that he won throughout his Manchester United career. Phill Neville. And in this wall, class of 92. Love that. Scholes, my favourite ever Manchester United player. Has to be. You do get the hairdryer. So if you need to dry hair, hair dryer. In here, tea and coffee making facilities. I don't personally use them, but they're there for you. And in here, I've already raided it, so I do apologise. You do get a complimentary fridge. So I took the bottles of water out, but you get cans. You do get a couple of cafe football beers in there, which is new. I've not seen that before, unless it's just exclusive to class of 92 rooms. You get sweets and stuff in there. You do get crisps, Space Raiders in there, and you get Orange Club chocolate bars, which I've already eaten. So, and you get 2 bottles of water like that as well, which I've already had. Obviously, I've spent the night here, so this is a little guided tour and my experience here. So if you're a hot or cold person, you do get, I suppose it's called climate control, air conditioning here. So if it's too hot, too cold, you do have the ability to adjust that. Now it takes me to this, which is basically a wardrobe, but something special inside. So in here, in the class of 92 room, you get 2 robes. That. 1 robe there, slippers, and again there on that side. And look at that, class of 92, painted on shirts, Giggs, Neville, Scholes, But, Neville. You get an ironing board in there as well. You get an iron, and you get safe. So it's a lovely, large, spacious room, this one. 492, class of 92. Now I need to take you into the bathroom area. Here we go. So obviously you get your sink and a couple of glasses there as well. Fresh towels. You get soap and shampoo and shower gels and stuff like that. There's a socket there for if you need to shave. There's me with my camera. A couple of towels as well. And sweet man bath. So if you like a bath, you have a nice bath in there. But the one I love, the shower. Take extra care when showering. Please use bath mat provided. Yeah, I use that. I'll put that on the floor. But that's the shower. The shower controls. There we go. Air vent, toilet. That is pretty much it. Now, Hotel Football, they have something called floor H, which they call the heaven floor. Basically, you go right to the very top, floor H. There's a bar there, and there's also like a 5-a-side pitch with a little goal at the end as well. So they do have that for events, for weddings and stuff, and birthday parties, and you have an excellent view from there at Old Trafford. So obviously being a Manchester United fan is absolutely perfect for any Manchester United fan, but other football fans can come here as well. They have obviously the Sky Sports and stuff you can see. Very friendly atmosphere here. The rooms, the cleanliness is great. The food is fantastic as well. I can't really, you might think I'm just saying this because I'm a Man United fan and I'm right next to Old Trafford. I'm not being paid to do this. I'm not affiliated at all. So yeah, I can't pick or think of anything negative about staying here. Yeah, it can be a little bit pricey, especially on match days. So the prices to stay in the room do shoot up a little bit. I stayed the night before a match, so it's slightly cheaper. So I've got to drive home tonight after the game. The only probably thing I would have to moan about is the Club Orange chocolate bars in the fridge. I don't know why they insist on using them. I like chocolate. I'm not a big fan of chocolate orange, but if they just put plain chocolate in there, even though I did eat them anyway, that's my only negative thing about staying here in the class of 92 room or at Hotel Football. So I asked 2 members of staff, why should anyone want to stay at Hotel Football?
You should stay at Hotel Football because you get full experience. You're staying far away from the theatre, dreams. It's an amazing atmosphere. You can go for drinks and OTC, you can go to the hospitality, or you can go and have a football. Everybody knows each other and makes you feel very welcome.
So on a match day, as you can see, the atmosphere is incredible. We encourage all football fans from across the world, whether you're a United fan or an away fan on the day, just to come and enjoy the atmosphere here at Hotel Football.
Hope you enjoyed this video, guys. Hope it's been helpful. This is the class of 92 room at Hotel Football. I'm going to get ready to watch the match. Smash that like button, hit subscribe, and I'll see you soon. Bye bye.